Hello everyone, my name is Dr.Swapna. I am the first year resident from Nair Medical College. Firstly, I got to know about this Elevate workshop from one of my seniors, and before coming over here I was not sure whether like is it gonna be helpful or what I'm gonna learn, but once I came over here I got to know it's very helpful for me as I'm a first year resident. I got to know before that I didn't know what's like things happens in the industry, what is our role in the industry. But after coming over here I got to know like I can explore so many things over here, and about especially about the interview section, like what questions are mostly like what answers are expected from us. I got to know about that thing also, so it was really helpful for me for the future. And I would like to thank Sonali ma'am and the entire Elevate team for giving such a good guidance, and I sincerely thank you them.